Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find about double integrals. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus y squared. So we need to know that this one that is about dy. So we just focus about this one. First, the derivative of this one. This one, they are not y. So you got number 0. This one, that is about 2y. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. Now, we need to change the bounds. So, when when y equals to s, we put s gone here, and we have u equals to 2s squared. Because this is about s, so s squared plus s squared, we have 2s squared. When y equals to 2s, so I will put 2s gone here, and we have u equals to 5s squared. So s we change for 2s squared. 2s we change for 5s squared. Y dy we change for du over number 2. This one we change for u. The integration of du over u, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and we put the bounds from 2s squared to 5s squared. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. Because s squared, they always positive number, so we can cancel the absolute value. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we simplify s squared, and we have like this. The integration of the s, that is about s. And we have the final answer. and we put 1/2 gone here. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.